5 best OBD2 scanners for motorcycles. Are you struggling to diagnose your motorcycle's engine issues quickly? Today, we're reviewing the 6 best OBD2 scanners that make troubleshooting fast and accurate. These tools connect easily to your bike, read error codes, and help maintain performance. We'll compare features, compatibility, and ease of use so you can pick the right scanner. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best OBD2 scanner for motorcycles. Let's start.
1. ANCEL AD410 Pro 2-in-1 Scanner. The ANCEL AD410 Pro is a fantastic OBD2 scanner that gives riders double the power. This clever device works as a code reader and a high-quality battery health tester. You can check engine lights and test 12V batteries with one simple tool. This OBD2 scanner is built tough and is designed to last a very long time. You will love how fast it connects to your bike for answers. This scanner is perfect for DIY fans who want to watch their battery. It works on many different vehicles, including cars and your favorite motorcycles. The plug-and-play design means you do not need to be an expert. This tool is great for finding leaks in your bike's fuel systems. It gives you a full report that you can print for a mechanic. Having this in your kit gives you peace of mind while riding. This OBD2 scanner uses advanced sensors to predict if a battery will fail soon. The price for this versatile tool usually ranges from $50 to $70 on Amazon. Verdict: this is the best OBD2 scanner choice for riders who want to test their batteries.
2.
ANCEL AD410 Classic Enhanced Scanner. The ANCEL AD310 is one of the most famous OBD2 scanners in the whole world. It is known for being simple and working every time you plug it in. This classic tool runs on your bike's power, so it needs no batteries. The screen is large and has a light for working in dark spots. It reads and clears engine codes faster than most other basic tools. You can find out why a check engine light is on instantly. It is small enough to fit in a backpack for long rides. It supports major rules for motorcycles and cars made after the year 1996. The sturdy design means it won't break if you drop it while working. You get a built-in library that explains what every error code means. This saves you time because you do not have to search online. It's a basic OBD2 scanner that works without any confusing extra buttons. Many professional YouTubers recommend this as the first tool for any new rider. It provides the important data you need to keep your engine healthy. The thick cable is long enough to reach parts of your bike easily. You can typically find this classic OBD2 scanner priced between $25 and $35 online. Verdict: this is the best budget-friendly OBD2 scanner for simple and fast engine diagnostics.
3. VEHLIVE Motorcycle System Diagnostic Tool. The VEHLIVE Motorcycle OBD2 scanner is a special tool built only for two-wheeled machines. It works with big brands like Yamaha, Honda, Kawasaki, and many more names. This tool focuses on the unique parts found in modern motorcycle engines. It includes a quick test that scans your whole bike at once. You can check your battery voltage to make sure it always starts. This is a pro tool that feels right at home in a workshop. This scanner is a top pick if you own many different motorcycles. It shows you live data in a clear graph you can understand. You can find issues with fuel or sensors before they cause trouble. The software can be updated for free using your home computer. This scanner is very light and easy to hold with one hand. The menus are simple enough for a 10-year-old to use easily. You will feel like a real mechanic with this powerful diagnostic tool. It's the best companion for keeping a fleet of bikes running. The rugged buttons are great for oily hands in the garage area. The price for this specialized motorcycle scanner usually falls between $85 and $120. Verdict: this is the best dedicated tool for multi-brand motorcycle owners and enthusiasts. 4. Launch CRP123 V2.0 Diagnostic Scan Tool. The Launch CRP123 V2.0 is a high-end OBD2 scanner with much more power. This scanner scans the engine, brakes, airbags, and the transmission system. It's perfect for modern bikes with advanced safety and complex parts. The large screen shows deep details about how your bike is performing. You can use it to reset your oil light after changing it. It also helps with throttle settings for a very smooth riding experience. This tool is faster than older models because of its new computer. It's a serious tool for people who want total vehicle control. You will love the professional feel and the very fast scanning speed. This OBD2 scanner is best for riders who check more than engines. You can record live data to show a mechanic exactly what happened. It works on over 10,000 different vehicle models from around the world. It is the best choice for advanced users who want deep data. This professional OBD2 scanner is generally priced in the range of $130 to $170. Verdict: this is the best advanced OBD2 scanner for checking ABS and transmission systems.
5. OBDMATE scanner for Honda and Acura. The OBDMATE OBD2 scanner is the perfect choice for Honda or Acura bike owners. It is specially made to work with the unique systems of those brands. This tool can perform over 15 different resets for your bike maintenance. You can use it to fix your brakes or reset your tires. It provides a full scan to find any hidden faults in yours. The interface is very friendly and uses words that everyone can understand. It comes with a protective case to keep the tool safe always. This is a must-have tool for anyone who loves the Honda brand. You can clear service lights yourself without visiting a dealer for help. The free software updates ensure your tool works with the newest models. You can view the battery status in a graph to see health. It is a cost-effective OBD solution that pays for itself after one use. Honda fans will find this tool to be their best garage friend. This scanner includes special tests to check your fuel pump and injectors. Expect to pay somewhere between $60 and $90 for this specialized diagnostic tool. Verdict: this is the best brand-specific OBD2 scanner for Honda and Acura motorcycle owners.
Which is the best OBD2 scanner for motorcycles that you should buy? Here is a quick guide to help you choose the right tool from our list today. ANCEL AD410 Pro. This is the smartest OBD2 scanner pick for testing your battery health and engine codes. ANCEL AD310. This is the best simple tool for fixing basic check engine light problems quickly. VEHLIVE Motorcycle System Diagnostic Tool. This is the top choice for people who own many different motorcycle brands. Launch CRP123 V2.0. This is the best advanced OBD2 scanner for fixing complex ABS and airbag safety systems. OBDMATE scanner. This is the best OBD2 scanner made exactly for the systems in Honda and Acura bikes.